So after you pull that up, you can start the assignment. So the first thing we're going to be doing is creating a query named query credit. So I'm going to, hopefully you guys are getting used to doing this. I, again, use query design, and I'm going to pull the two tables that we're using information from, which is table management, and also we're doing table facilities. So once you add those on, you can get rid of that. And down here, I need to add the fields. Again, I like kind of adding the table first. From table management, I need management ID. From table facilities, I need FAC name. From table facilities again, I need the state, and I also need the revenue. Oopsies. Okay. Then we also need to add some criteria. We want the management ID to be 38, and we also want the revenue to not equal 0. So at this time, I suggest that you save this, save the query, and again, the name of the query is query credit. I warn you that you do need to save it before you head on to the next part of the assignment, or you will not be able to create the calculated field name. So I'm going to now click on the 5th row, and if you wanted to, you could run this and see your items here so that you know that it's working. If you have an error, you need to go back and maybe fix your the criteria that you put down here. Something might be wrong. And again, to switch back and forth, you just go down to this right-hand side. And right now I want to be in design view because I'm going to go up to builder and I'm going to create my calculated field. So I'm going to use from query credit, and I'm going to use revenue, and it's going to come up here. And then now I want to use an operator because I want to divide. Oops, that's not all I wanted to do. Hold on one second. Okay, so I want to divide, and then the rest of the expression looks like this. And after I have that, because it's 10% of the monthly revenue, and now I'm going to click OK. Now at this point, it wants you to change the name to be line of credit. I will show you how to do that, but I will let you format the results as currency. But now if I run this, I'm going to be able to see my amounts here. And if you ever see pound signs, it just means that there's not enough room to show the full number. But again, you're going to be having this as currency, so you should not have that problem. Okay, now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to create a report. So we're going to go back up to create. You want to make sure you're on this query credit, and now you're going to hit report. And you are going to, and it should bring it up nice and neat for you, and you're going to have to do some changing and some rearranging. Okay, when I went to create my report, I said I got a little error that said you have to save it, so we're going to save it, absolutely. Now hopefully it will create my report. Here it is. So now again, you're going to be working with changing the name. You're going to be adding a footer down here with your name, and you're going to delete one of the columns. Again, right-clicking is going to help you get through everything. But I will let you complete the rest of the assignment and turn it in. If you have any further questions, please let me know.